To thread the Kenmore 592, again, it's a White Rotary. Got a spool pin up top here. There is a thread guide on the top of the machine there. And then the rest of the threading happens on the head here. So it goes down under the tensioner, around this spring here, and then the path crosses over itself to snap in on the take-up arm, and then it goes over itself again to a guide on the needle bar, and then the machine threads from the outside in. Bobbin winding. Bobbin winding on a Kenmore 592. This is a White Rotary. It's got an automatic bobbin winder. You need to unscrew the big bullet end, put your thread in the bobbin winding location here, hook it through the winder, and then the thread goes around the back of the bobbin and over the top here. And push the button to put it in bobbin winding mode. And pull the bobbin off. To load the bobbin in the bobbin case for the 592. Again, it's a White Rotary. I've got another video on my channel with a really detailed view of it, of loading, but you need to put, and I think this is called a banjo case, or I've heard it called a banjo case, but the bobbin is going to unwind counterclockwise. The thread goes through this spot here, and then it comes across, and it's got to go under a hook behind the spring, and then when it's gone through this gap and under the hook, it pops up underneath the tension spring here. And you can see when it goes under the hook, it ends up in that gap there. So it goes over here, under the hook, through that gap, and then straight up under the spring.